In this video, we are going to learn how to do a pivot tables with the using of micro rules. Okay, so let's see. And here I have a data like a date, product, quantity, price, and now go to the developer tab. Click on the visual basics, and that will be the this window will be the open. Now, which sheet I have like a pivot? Let's find out the pivot sheet from here. So whichever you have the sheet, check it here and go to insert and click on the insert and a new module. So basically I have created here as a module 18. If you want to see a code, you can go with the view module as a code, and let me check with this. Now you can see here is the code for the pivoting. Now you can, if you want to copy this code, you can copy it as it is and just change the name from worksheet name. Okay, my worksheet name was a pivot. Okay, so that's why I wrote as a pivot. Okay, so div as a worksheet, set this workbook, means which workbook you are using, this workbook dot worksheet, which worksheet. From this worksheet, the name of that sheet will be the pivot. Now define the range from pivot table and source data. So where is your source data, which range you have? So as you can see, the last row from the A, then with the pivot sort range as a range from A1 to D, because my data from started from A1 to D. That is the last row. Now create a new worksheet, because whenever you are inserting a pivot table, you have to create a new sheets. Whenever you manually do and click on the select entire range of your data, that will be go to your next sheet or existing sheet. So next sheet I am defining here as a pivot this workbook dot worksheet. Then I want to give it as a name as a sales report pivot, because that will be the report, because the filtering of the data and giving the total sum. So that will be the report. I give it name as a sales report for the next sheet, not that active sheet. Now you can see add sheet as a pivot, then pivot name as again and end it. Okay, so create pivot chat for the pivot table. So again we created the sort type database. Then this thing you have to learn step by step. With I already told in some of the video that how we can select the range, how we can add the bold size, font size. Okay, that will be each step by step. If you learn, that will be, if you do a more practice, that will be you, then will you learn step by step. You just need to set from pivot charted, then this workbook, then keep it as a dot, then pivot. When you select, there will be the different option will come, that pivot table, pivot filter, chart, whenever, and then add the field of the which name. If you are doing the filtering, I want to do filtering field with the quantity and the price. Okay, so that's why. And what you want from there, I want total quantity and I want a total sales as a price. Okay, so this will be do as your sum. That's why X, I want a sum. If you want a count, you can prefer as a count. So this is all about. Now if I run this code, now you can see, if I select this data and go to your this macro and run it, now you can see within a one click, guys, within a one click, you don't need to go to pivot to the chart and then click on that, the new sheet. Then according to that, you have to go to the click on the which product, what you want to quantity here, then you want to price it here, or if you want to do, no need to do a manually. If you have a same particular data at every time, just the values are changing at the period of some time, so you can prefer this code and use it again and again. You just need to change the range from A1 to where is your data from D or D11. Likewise, all the code will be the same. Or if you can refer as a Google, or you can search it as Google VBA code for filtering data, VBA code for pivot tables. so that you can prefer and just change it the range where you want, or if you have a different condition. Now I did as a sum. Okay, you can see at a total quantity total. If you want to do it as a sum, or if you want to do it as a count, you can change it from here, or you can change it from your code as well. So this is, you can see from A there I have as a total sales from each product, from B and from C, and grand total is here. So this is all about the how we can do with the pivoting, summarizing the data using the pivot tables.